Okay, we're using a 1/4 of a yard for this bandana. Bandanas that I have range between 18 by 21 to 21 by 22. We're going to start by folding one side over to the middle piece. It's going to look like 1/4 folds, and then we're just going to press down on both sides, just like so. You can iron your bandana out if you want it to be a little straighter. I'm taking both ends now, and I'm just going to fold them towards me about 1 inch to 2 inches. Real simple little seams here, and then we're going to fold it into thirds. I'm going to grab my filter. I'm using a coffee filter. This right here is something that you can add. You don't have to, but remember when you are washing this bandana to take the filter out before you put it in the wash machine. Then obviously do not just replace the filter. So I'm going to fold it like so here, and I'm just going to slide it right here in this little flap. Really simple here. You're going to make adjustments to fit your size of your face. I'm going to slide the end here, and I'm just going to press it in this little sleeve here. You see right here on the end. Real simple, just going to tuck it right there. Give it a little shake. It holds it pretty nicely, and I'm just going to do that same thing on the other end. Just going to take this end, and I'm just going to press it under this little flap here. That was that fold I made earlier in the video, that 1 to 2 inch fold, and it kind of hides everything for you, so you don't have to put a stitch in there, and you don't have to glue it. Very simple, guys. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little ties on there. You can use hair ties, you can use rubber bands, you can use shoestrings. This is a shoestring. The string I'm going to use today kind of puts you in the mind of a shoestring. It's this yarn right here. And I've already tied the ends. Again, you're going to tie those ends based off the size of your head. These are 12 inches long. And I'm just going to put them on my bandana roughly 1/3 of the way in, like so, with the knot facing me. It's also really simple. We're going to do those third folds again. So I'm just going to fold right in again, and I'm just going to take one end and I'm going to go inside of the other just like so. See, I'm just going to tuck it there. The tighter I make it, the easier it is to hold. I'm going to take both ends and pull them like that, and that was it. It was just super simple.